welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you can see guys, iba yung aura natin today. I love how this makeup turned out. I don't actually have plan yet when I started doing this makeup. I just use all the available product that I have here, particularly the Colourpop eyeshadow palette. For this makeup look, I actually use this Colourpop Baby Got Peach eyeshadow palette. So, guys, if you want to know how I use this to achieve this makeup look, please keep on watching, because I only use this for my eyeshadow and also for my blush on. I hope you stay with me and please keep on watching so you'll be able to find out how I achieved this look with just using this one. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I would really appreciate it. That would really mean a lot to me. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Before we begin with our makeup routine, make sure not to forget putting a sunblock or sun care cream. So I'm using the one I bought from Miniso. Okay, and then let the product sets for a minute. And then to start with our makeup routine, I'm using the Colourpop All Star Matte Blur Primer. And for the eye concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind to cover some dark circles under my eye. And dabbing it softly with a Beauty Blender sponge. Now, we're now into the highlight of our makeup for today. So, let me present to you the Colourpop eyeshadow palette Baby Got Peach. So I'll be using two shades for my eyeshadow, a darker shade and the other one would be a lighter shade. Then I'm just using a makeup brush, a fluffy brush, to blend it out. You know guys how I love Colourpop because the color are pigmented. You don't have to put too much product on your face. You can just put a little amount, and then once it sets in, you'll love it even more. Okay, now for the eyeshadow, I'm actually trying, and I really try hard putting this liquid eyeliner. Sorry for the eyeliner. You know guys that I really don't know how to put eyeliner on my eye. Okay, I really had some difficulty with this one, so I end up erasing it with a cotton and then using a makeup remover. So in the end, I just use the eyeliner brush with using the eyeliner pencil as well. Okay, so now let's move on to our foundation. For this one, I'm using the Loreal True Match foundation. I had this actually for a long time now, I think years, but I'm still using it because I do have a lot of foundation that I alternately using, and sometimes I don't use foundation at all. So just have to blend it out using the brush I bought from Miniso also. And then now when I started using the bronzing powder, I started loving putting bronzer on my face instead of a contour, because if you don't know guys, I don't know also how to put a contour, or I don't know how to contour, so I make use of the bronzing powder which I bought from Note Cosmetics. Okay, that is to warm up the color of my face. And then again, for my eyebrow, where I don't have to put too much effort on it, I'm just tapping it out with the Nichido eyebrow gel, which I bought from the Philippines. This is one of my favorite. And for my blush on, I'm using the same I'm using the Colourpop eyeshadow palette for my blush on, so at least it would match on the color of my eye, because I don't have a coral or peach blush on, so I'll just make use of that. And again, with the same eyeshadow shade I use on my eyelid, I'm also putting some of the same shade on my lower lash line. Okay, that is what I see also with some makeup vlogger. Now, of course, never forget to put mascara, so it will be more dramatic. Oh, because again, I don't know how to put false eyelashes, so we'll just have to make use of this mascara which I bought from Cute here in the Maldives, and the brand is Flormar. It's an Italian brand. Okay. Now for the highlighter, again, I'm using the Colourpop eyeshadow palette, the one that I also use in the inner corner of my eye for the eyeshadow, and that's also the same highlighter that I will be using on my cheekbone. Okay, and of course also on my nose. See guys, how nice it glow, right? Okay, so some highlights on my nose as well. So this is the final look guys, almost. Okay, because for the final touch, we have to use, of course, we have to put our lipstick. And for this one, luckily I have bought this shade of lipstick, which is an orange or peach or coral shade that I bought from a friend who actually went to Korea. This is actually a Korean brand. And I almost forgot to put also a highlighter below my eyebrow. Okay, so this is guys for the final look. Hope you like it. I'll just list down on the description below all the product that I've used for this makeup look. So guys, thanks so much for watching. So of course, with the help of the other makeup tools and makeup product that I have, I was able to achieve this look. Of course, basically, I want to highlight the use of this Colourpop Baby Got Peach eyeshadow palette
from my Colourpop collection, which I haven't used for a long time since I bought them.
So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you again guys on my next video for another makeup vlog. Thanks. Bye.